Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh, and I'm Poonam. So in today's video I'm going to share the skincare routine especially for teenagers. Yes, I will just share a teenagers kind of skincare routine, and this is especially a night skincare routine. So if you wanna watch and get benefited from a very affordable and effective night skincare routine which makes your skin super glowy and lovely, and as you have kind of pink kind of skin, so it will make you more gorgeous. So just now stick to the end of this video, and now we will just apply to the video. Chilling. So here I'm going to do this skincare routine with very easy steps, and I'm also gonna mention the products which are easily available and super affordable for you guys, and it will not take much time for this skincare routine. And for the one side I will mention all the products which are easily available in the market, and other side I will also mention the DIYs for each and every step, so you can choose according to you. So first step is cleaning, and for that I have took this Himalayas wet wipe and also micellar water. And if you have used a foundation as you are teenage, so you need not to use foundation, but अगर कर लिया है then I will suggest कि आप micellar water से ही उसको clean करें. But here I'm not having any foundation, that's why I'm cleaning my face with this wet wipe. And for the DIY, use coconut oil for cleaning. So for the second step, I'm showing you some kind of herbal face washes, some from Astaberry, Neutrogena and Mamaearth. And if you have very oily and pimple prone skin, then I will suggest you use some foaming face wash from Clean and Clear and Neutrogena, these products. And I'm here gonna use this charcoal face wash. This is a herbal and my current favorite also. So you can use any face wash of your choice, like from Himalayas and any other from which is a herbal product. And for the DIY, I will suggest you take a 1 tablespoon gram flour or besan, mix a pinch of turmeric and use it with water and clean your face, and you're ready. Moving on to third step is scrubbing. So I will suggest you some soft kind of scrub like Everyuth, and if you have very much blackheads, then only go for scrub like Lotus, which is a bit of harsh on skin. And for the DIY, use rice water, mix with a half tablespoon of coffee and mix with curd, and your scrub is ready. It will remove all the dirt and dead skin from your face and you will glow. So after scrubbing, I have washed my face, and now you can see my face is completely clear and glowing. So our next step is toning. So toning, for you can use rose water for either side, from DIYs and also for market products. And if you wanna use really a DIY, then use a rice water, and you can use it for 4-5 days. Keep it in a refrigerator and you're ready. And for the cream, I will suggest you Himalayas cream, but mine container is completely empty, and it is also affordable. And you can use also Plum's night cream. It is a bit of costly from Himalayas, but I have stored my DIY night cream in this container which is almost empty now. And for DIY, you can use aloe vera gel, mix it a capsule of vitamin E, and your DIY night cream is ready. I'm using my already stored DIY night cream as my night cream, of course. And one more thing, give your face a very good massage for 1 minute with this cream, and your skin will be more glowy and refreshing for the next morning. So now the last but not the least step is the lip balm. For that you can use Avadi's lip balm, and I have also mentioned the Good Vibes. All are affordable, and if not, then yeah, which is evergreen lip balm for everyone. This is a Vaseline, and I'm gonna use this Vaseline for my lip balm. And for DIY, you can use ghee as a lip balm, and which can turn your lips very pink and soft for the next morning. So yeah, my night skincare routine is complete. So I'm using this Vaseline on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. It helps to grow these hairs very fastly, so that your eyelashes will look beautiful and also your eyebrows. So I'm ready to sleep, and this is my night skincare routine for teens. So yeah, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this teenager kind of night skincare routine. If you love watching this video, then give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel with press the ting ting bell. So now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.